All right, we're actually hooking up with Nit Pick Norm tonight. What's up?
You gotta go to the back way because there's a jackknife 8-wheel.
Okay, so what about it? Okay, that's fine, Norm. That's fine. I'll be in the truck in 10 seconds of a shake. Okay, hang on. So anyway, we're going with Nit Pick Norm. Now let me tell you something about this situation we got. Nit Pick Norm has a car. You can see the car right here. It's an early 50s Ford, runs and drives. You can drive this motherfucker to Colorado, you can drive it to California, you can drive it to New York City if you want. Had it up for sale for several months. I don't know what prices he was asking. Had a lot of calls, had some people come out and look at it. But he finally found a guy that really wanted this thing. And he's not selling it. He's actually trading it for a non-running van, a 1964 Econoline van. Let's go ahead and go a little farther with this. Norm has a clear title on this car. He has a clear title. He also has signed paperwork stating it's clear and you can go get a title for it. And the van that he's trading doesn't have any paperwork. Now, my opinion on this deal is that he should have held out. He should have done what he had to do to hold out and wait until somebody had the cash for it, because the guy that's getting this thing claims it only takes a couple $100 when I know for a fact I paid $575 to get a bonded title for my little Volkswagen. So we'll go ahead and talk to Nit Pick Norm, and I think we got, is Garrett in there with you? Okay, Garrett's not going with us. That's Nit Pick Jr., but we're gonna go ahead and go with Nit Pick Norm out here because I want to see this van that he's trading for a running fucking car. A running and driving car. All right, we're going down the road now. If you hear ambient noise of wind in the background, that's because Norm's air conditioner's a piece of shit in his truck and he has to keep it on high volume, full blast, and if he turns it off, it'll quit working. We've already been down that road and we don't want to go down it again.
It's only 89 degrees out, Pete, and 89% humidity.
Is that what it says?
Yeah.
Well, it feels a lot hotter than that. Now, let me ask you a question. Why are you getting rid of a running car for a piece of shit, rusted, rotted van that doesn't run?
It's not a piece of shit,
okay.
rusted, rotted
Well, I'll
van.
be the judge of that. What's going on?
It reminds me of the Scooby-Doo mystery van, and I like it.
Okay, well, we're not, this ain't circa 1968, and you aren't in Scranton, Pennsylvania watching cartoons, Norm. Okay?
Where are you?
I can't believe you traded a running driving car with a clear title for a fucking van that doesn't have a title. You don't even know where it's from. The guy gave you some hokey pokey story of his buddy, this, that, and the other, and you went ahead and fell for it.
No, I just am tired of trying to sell this Ford.
You ain't tried hard enough. You've only had it up for sale for a month.
3 months.
You ain't had that car 3 months.
Oh, I have.
No, you haven't.
Oh, I have.
You've had that about maybe a month and a half. If you go back 3 months, that brings us back to May.
That's right.
Okay? Now, you bought the Oldsmobile in May and took it to
I bought it in
Pay
April.
Swap.
In April.
Okay.
And took it to pay.
And you have that you had that Oldsmobile out in the back a lot longer than 3 weeks.
I didn't even have it at your place.
You had the Oldsmobile a lot longer for 3 weeks than you did than you're saying. You've had that car about a month for sale, Norm.
No.
Now, what's your plans with this van if it's worth the shit?
Get it running and sell it.
So, okay, so now you're trading this thing in, and now you got to spend money on this van. You were just bitching and complaining about how much money you had invested in this, and you wish you wouldn't have got involved in these 50s cars. And now you're going back into this van deal. You told me that motorcycle guys like these vans.
That's what I've been told.
That's what you've been told, but you don't know for sure.
I don't know. You never know.
You never know, Norm.
You never know, but you gotta move your arm. Thank you.
Okay, are we almost there?
Drive. Yeah, we're almost there.
Well, I'm going to say that this is a bad move because you don't have a title and you're going to end up paying $500 or $600 or $700 for a clear title for this thing.
No, I already told him I'm giving him the $200. He's going to get me the title for
He's going to give you $200 and he's going to get a title for you.
I'm going to give him
You're shitting me. You don't even know this fucking guy and you're going to give him money?
I do know him.
How do you know him?
He's the secretary of the Cruiser's Car Club, man.
Okay, hold on. Did I hear say secretary of the Boozers? The Cruisers Car Club? Now, is that some rat rod car club action going on, Norm? Oh my God. So you're telling me that these guys, they dressed up like 50s beboppers and dudes and all that with their leather jackets on and their slick back hair or what?
Well, I don't know anything about slick back.
Well, I saw the guy. Looked like he slicked it back like Elvis Presley there.
Well, maybe he does. Maybe it's Elvis's cousin.
Yeah. So he's got like a pinup girl for a girlfriend type deal, or
I don't.
well, I'm just saying the way they dress. They all kind of look like, you know, they try to look like pinup girls and rat rodders. It's that rat rod lifestyle, dude.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
I don't know anything
So
about it.
basically, you're saying I don't give a shit about his lifestyle. I just want to get this fucking van.
That's
basically.
it.
I think you're making a mistake, dude.
Oh, well.
I think you're making. When we get this thing loaded, we're gonna get a good look at it and see what it's worth. I'm thinking this van's a pile of shit. And by the looks of it looks like we're going down by the dump. Are we going over to that storage unit
We're
place?
not going anywhere near the dump.
Well, where are we going?
We're over by the hospital.
Okay, but if you keep taking this, it goes down to the dump
No,
area.
it does not.
To that storage area down there.
No, it does
Motherfucker,
not.
Norm.
It's 380 feet.
Can you learn how to drive your truck? God.
What are you talking about, Pete?
Okay, are we going to this guy's house?
Yes.
Shop or?
House.
So he has a house, not an apartment.
Not an apartment.
Okay, all right. Well, I still think he's making a mistake, but we're gonna look at this van and see what he gets. My opinion is the van's gonna be a pile of shit. He claims all it needs is a freeze plug?
Yeah, these freeze.
It needs freeze plugs in the engine, and he said the guy's got a brand new carburetor for it, and it's a 3 on the tree. 64, not 3. 64. Econoline van.
Hey, Mitch.
Norm's talking to him on the phone now. All right, so here's the van that Norm traded for. Are you happy with that van, Norm? Even though it doesn't have a drive shaft and it doesn't have brakes and gauge, are you happy?
I'm happy.
You sure?
I'm positive.
Okay, whatever you say, dude. You know my opinion. Mitch, how you doing, Mitch? So you're the secretary of the Hot Rod Club, or?
Strikers.
What's it called? The Hitchhikers? The Cruisers?
Strikers.
The Strikers Cruiser Club. All right, that's cool. So how many members y'all got, Mitch?
I don't know, probably 3 dozen.
Really? That many? Son of a bitch, dude. Now let me ask you this, Mitch. Did you get a good deal on that Ford? What year is that thing anyway?
Custom line.
Who do you think came out on top of this, Mitch? Be honest, bud.
I think
It's a done deal, dude. Who gives a shit what thinks that the other? Did you get a better deal than him? Yes or no?
I think it depends on what you're gonna do with the cars.
Okay. All right. Well, it looks like y'all struck the deal. That it's a done deal, Mitch. Are you gonna go take your car to the next cruise, or?
Maybe we'll see.
Yeah, that thing runs pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
All right, man. Appreciate it. Hey, what's your opinion, Junior?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Nope.
Tell us the answers, bud. Give us the answers we want to hear.
I'm happy, Pete. I'm not
Come on.
blaming you.
Come on, go ahead. What do you think? Huh?
Let me get the car strapped down.
What are you thinking about all this? What are you thinking about all this,
I don't
man?
know, Pete.
You don't know, you do know, you just don't want to say it, do you?
I have no
Do
idea.
you? You're on my side, right? Yes or no? That's all I want to know. Yes or no?
I don't know. We'll figure that out later.
Well, everybody knows my opinion on this situation, but you know what? It ain't my car, and it ain't my deal. It's Nit Pick Norm.
That's right. You know how it goes with me. I can step in a pile of shit and come out smelling like roses.
Yeah, well, not on this fucking deal,
Oh,
you
yeah,
did.
you watch it.
Not on this deal, dude. So let's get a little gander of the trade out and see what Norm ended up with. Looks like somebody was living back there, Norm. I'm wondering if this thing actually came from downtown Dallas in Homeless Alley. Huh. I'm just wondering, speculating that. Hey, Mitch. Hey, Mitch. Who was living in the back?
I mean,
We don't really know. Yeah. That's what I was thinking too.
other than the Steve.
least that door shuts. Well, you gotta say one thing, at least it's got a roof rack. At least it's got that. Hold on, we got a guy over here laughing about it. What's going on, buddy? What's your name?
Ryan.
How you doing, Ryan? Shake your hand, make a friend. What do you think of this deal? I mean, I know Mitch is your friend and all, so you're probably gonna be on his side about it. Who do you think got the best deal?
I don't know anything about either one of them.
Well, that car runs and drives, got a clear title. We know what the ban is.
I don't know anything about either one of them.
Come on, dude.
We just got called over here to push it on the
Oh, so
trailer.
you're just a helper guy?
Yeah.
You're just over here to drink a couple beers and now push it on the trailer?
Right.
There you go, buddy. And that's a good opinion to have on this deal. That's a good opinion to have. So anyway, back to the situation. It does have a nice set of wheels. Norm, it's got a beautiful set of wheels. We don't know what they came off of, but yeah, beautiful car. Very, very beautiful. You know, I was really shocked that this door actually latches and closes. What's going on over here, Norm? Yeah, what about the door jams? What about that dog leg where it's rotted and rusted? Has he got one of those? You're gonna need that too, dude.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Put a patch on that.
All right.
Here.
There you go.
They got restoration on this thing?
I guess as long as it stays closed until we get to the shop. All right.
It's got beautiful. Look at those wheels.
All right, Norm. We saw the car. Okay. We know what it looks like. Homeless people living in the back of it. Even the guy that had it didn't even know who was living back there, but he grabbed that nasty, filthy mattress. Why? I don't know.
Because I told him I didn't want it.
Oh, you told him you didn't want the mattress?
Damn right.
Wow. Wow. Your car ran, that one doesn't. Your car has a drive shift in it. This one doesn't.
It has a drive shaft.
Your car has a dashboard with a working speedometer. This one doesn't. Let me ask you this, does the shifter even work in this damn thing?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I can shift.
Okay, your car had brakes, this one doesn't. Your car had freeze plugs, this one doesn't. I mean, the only good thing you got going on this thing is a new carburetor. We don't even know if that's gonna work. We don't know how old it is. It could be 30 years old. It might need rebuilt. I'm sorry, Norm. You didn't get a good deal, dude. You don't even have, you got a clear title on yours. He ain't got shit. All right, but you said he's gonna get you a title.
Yes.
Yeah, I want to see that when you get it.
I'll get it.
I want to see it because I don't believe that this guy's gonna come through and get you a fucking title for $200.
Yep.
All right, I would have told him, look, dude, I got the car sitting here, and when you get a clear title for it, I'll give you my car because that's the only deal we're gonna be making. Sounds like somebody got stuck in the ass by a big giant pole. And
Well,
it definitely wasn't him, Norm. How does it feel, bud?
Man, I'm limping.
Yeah, yeah.
Just call me limpy.
No, we won't do that. That's an
That is
insult
an
to
insult
you.
to me.
That you just insulted yourself. I want to see the bill that Rick, the mechanic's gonna give you when you actually get that thing running and driving. If I'm even here still. For all we know, it might sit over at Rick's for 2 or 3 years, you know, waiting for mechanic work, dude. Now let me ask you this, Norm, since you're speechless and you can't talk. Are you gonna get your fucking air conditioning fixed or what? What do you got?
Where'd you put it, Pete?
I didn't put anything anywhere. Let me see what it is. You finally got a brand new control, all right, for your air conditioning. NOS, brand new on eBay, 280 bucks.
134.
234. Let's hope that fixes your problem, Norm. Let's hope it does, dude. We gotta go, buddy.
All right, yeah, I'm driving in the.
All right,
Yeah,
don't
shoot.
wreck. You're using my trailer. Don't fuck up my trailer, Norm, please.
Driving
Don't
in the
hit the wall with my trailer.
Driving in the chute, man.
All right.
This
all right.
guy's coming alongside me.
All right. Well, you just watch the road. Don't watch the camera.
He's in a hurry.
And there she is, right there. Or is it a he?
I don't know.
It's a he, she.
Hey,
We don't know what it is.
We don't judge. You get to choose.
We don't judge. Yeah, okay, Norm. Only when you get a bad deal. And I'm telling everybody now, this is a bad fucking deal.
Oh well. I can't win them all, Pete.
No. All I want to do, I want to be there with my camera when you sell this thing. I want to be there to see how much you actually sell this thing for. And we weren't even, hold on, we don't, before we go, how much did you actually sell the car for? What was your asking price on that car?
My asking price was $2,500 or best offer.
$2,500 best offer. This is the best offer you got, the van.
That's it.
Okay. So we'll just say that it was $2,500 for that van.
I've got $1,500 in that car.
Okay, but you said you sold it for $25. So you got $2,500 in the van.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
I traded it even for the van. I had $1,500 in the
All right.
Actually, if I put in my time to go pick it up, I have about $1,800 in that Ford. Yep.
All right. Well, let's say you got $1,800 in it. We're gonna see how much you sell that piece of shit van for, and I guarantee you're gonna be stuck with it. I want to be there when he sells it.
All the collectors are looking good.
It's getting dark, Norm. Can we go? Can we go?
All the collectors want those vans.
Okay.
The junk collectors.
All right. What else, Norm? We gotta go.
Oh my.
All right. We're actually over here at Rick's Custom Auto Service. Used to rent a bay out of my shop, and we're getting ready to drop this beast off over here. Norm's gonna get up inside that thing, and yeah, no brakes, no drive shafts, no nothing. And Nit Pick Jr. just put a strap on that right there, and we're gonna push Norm, and hopefully he's not gonna wreck my trailer, fuck my trailer up with this pile of shit.